Yo, what's up, you guys? We're at SEMA 2018.
We're here at the Kia Torque track.
Kia brought out the Stinger, which is sick as always. It still rips, but we're also checking out the brand new 2020 Telluride SUV.
We're gonna drift some Stingers and drive the new Telluride. I didn't mean to dab. I'm sorry.
So we hopped in the Stinger.
0 to 60.
Doing some donuts.
Yes!
Trying to ride the wall. Matt also blew up a tire and took out a rear fender of the car.
I was aware that the tires were bald.
Typical Matt.
It was a good time.
These dudes went nuts. They built this huge dirt course.
There's 7 obstacles in the Telluride exhibit. Articulation bumps.
Water fording.
Sand pit,
Mountain climb.
the bank turn.
Tabletop jump into the log pile. Everyone's really impressed and really happy with everything that happened here today.
Everyone's out here having a great time. It's a lot of fun.
Nice! Yeah! Hell yeah!
That was awesome.
Nolan said it felt like a party,
It's like a party.
but he wouldn't know because he's never been to one. Guys, this is Jeff. Say hi to Jeff. Hashtag hi Jeff. Okay, all right. Wow, I can see the whole convention center. Oh, that was a little scary. Now we're hitting the bank. NASCAR, baby. In the gym.
Send